Hi guys! So now you can remember that our mudguards was broken. I have broke one of them. So I've got new ones now that the weather is okay and also the truck is cleaner than usual. Let's put them on. Okay, so I have got my tools. I also got this with which our mudguard is going to stay on its place. So let's see. I think it comes like this. You should give me a hand. Okay, so as you can see, it should have come like this one, but in some case, for some reason, it didn't want to open. It should come under here. I'm going to show you with this one, which has remained. As you can see, it should have come like this, but it didn't want to move. I tried to make a little bit. Okay, no problem. We're going to continue our work, and let's hope that we won't break nothing. Okay. Next step, I'm going to move a meter the truck so I can come here because I don't want to enter under the trailer. Just a second. Okay, it's better. So now I am going to continue with this tongue here, tongs. I don't know how it is exactly said, but it looks like a tongue, so I am calling them tongue. Let's hope I won't break them. Okay, so I think I should start from here. Okay, and now it's going to be easier to put this because we have here only one left. And it was that easy. Oh, no. There is also one. Okay, it seems that it's on its place. Now we should put these guys. Okay. I think it's okay. Okay. It was easier than the first one. Et voila! It's better than the new one. I'm very happy because, you know, without this mudguard or with that mudguard with the holes in it, it was making a very big mess for my trailer. So I was always entering to wash the truck. Now we have to uninstall this mudguard. Okay. Okay. As you can see, these have holes in it because when I first drive the truck, I lowered too much the chassis, so the mudguard was in contact with the tire. So yeah, be attentive so you aren't going to make something like this. Okay. Okay, so first we should put the, I don't know, let's say strips. Let's say strips. I don't know if they are called strips. I'm going to use this one because as you can see, they are in a very good shape. So these are originals, or at least they were changed at the Scania. So okay, so now I have learned from my first attempt and I'm going to be a little bit okay. We are going to have problems with this one, but okay. Okay. You know, it's not a big deal to put a mud guard, but as you can see, it's not the easiest job. Or I don't know, you should have a technique maybe. Okay. It was easier than the first one, as you can see. Oh. And now comes the hard part, because I have all of the tongues here. I don't know why. Here. I see. Okay, so here it stays a little bit. I see why. And we are done immediately. Yes. So I didn't break a single tongue here. Okay. And our trailer, it's not going to be dirty anymore. It's perfect. And here I'm going to do this tool. As you can see, I don't think I'm going to leave this, but after a few kilometers I'm going to check on these guys to check how they are standing. It looks definitely better than this guy here. So now I'm going to come back under my trailer. It is empty, and I'm waiting that my boss is going to call. So we are going to see where we are going next. Until then,